Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am at Walgreens to grab some deals for the sales week of June 13th through June 19th. I have two digital spend boosters. I have a spend booster for spend $20, get back $4 in Walgreens cash, and then I have a spend booster for spend 50, get 10. Now, I'm not going to do the spend 50, get 10. I was trying to put scenarios together, and my out-of-pocket for that one was like around $30 no matter what I tried to put together. So I'm not going to do that one. My first transaction, I have some store manufacturer coupons that I need to spend today because they're going to expire. And then I have some register rewards that I also need to spend because those are going to expire also. So I'm going to go into the store and try to do a food deal like I did last week to try to get a paper spend booster so that I could do a second transaction aside from the spend 20 get 4. There will be a Google Doc link down below if you guys are interested in that. It'll always be updated before I open it so that people could see it. Now, if I forget to open it, if you're trying to view the Google Doc and you can't see it, will you please just leave a comment? Because sometimes I forget. Like, I'll edit what I'm going to put in my description box and then I'll link the Google Doc in there, but I won't open it. And then when I go to copy paste it in the video, I forget to open it sometimes. And like last week on Wednesday when I went to Publix, my Google Doc was trying to be opened by people and I was taking a nap because I had woken up so early. So if you try to open it and you can't see it, just please leave me a comment because it usually pops up on my phone really quickly and then I can open it so everybody can see it. I'm gonna go ahead and go into the store and then I'll come back into the car and go over my final cost for everything. I'm hoping for a paper spend booster and I also wanna see if anything prints out so I know if the Catalina machine is working. I'm gonna grab 2 of the goldfish. This week they're on sale 2 for $4 and I'm gonna use this $4 store coupon and just pay tax out of pocket. So the first transaction I did get this paper spend booster for spend 35, get back $8 in Walgreens cash. And I'm going to do this instead of the spend 50, get 10. The first transaction I'm going to do is the spend 20, get back $4 in Walgreens cash. This week there's a promotion on Tide, Cascade, and some other items. They're priced at $4.99, and when you buy 3, you'll get back $5 in Walgreens cash. I'm going to pick up 2 Tide Pods priced at $4.99, and I'm going to pick up a Tide Liquid also at $4.99. These 3 items are going to bring me to $14.97. I have a $2 digital off the Tide Pod. I also have a $2 digital off the Tide Liquid, and then I'm going to use a $2 paper manufacturer coupon for the second Tide Pods. This came out in the June P&G. That'll take off $6 from $14.97, drop me down to $8.97. I'll get back the $5 in Walgreens cash, making my cost $3.97. I'm going to pair in a couple more items so that I can do the spend booster. There is a couple of free oral care deals this week. Select Colgate are priced at $4, and when you buy 2, you'll get back a $4 register reward. We did get a $4 off of 2 digital on the Colgate, so if you wanted to pick up 2 for $8, you could pay $4 after that $4 digital. You'll get back the $4 register reward, making it completely free. And then Select Crest and Oral-B are priced at $3. It is the same promotion for buy 2, get back a $4 register reward. So if you wanted to do both, you would have to do them in separate transactions so that you could get 2 $4 register rewards. I'm going to pick up 3 of the Crest at $3. It's going to bring me to $9. I have a $5 off of 3 digital. That'll leave me to pay $4. I'll get back the $4 register reward, making these completely free. And I'm doing the Crest so that I could build my total up a little bit higher. With the Tide and the Crest, I'm going to pair in 2 of these Nerds Rope. This week they're on sale 2 for $1. This is going to be my first transaction. My subtotal here is $24.97. I'm going to attempt to use this $4 store coupon. That's going to drop me down to $20.97, which is still over the 20 to get back the $4 in Walgreens cash. I have a $2 paper coupon and $9 in digitals, so that should take off $11. I'll pay around $9.97 plus tax. I'll go over my receipt after I do the second transaction. In my second transaction, I'm going to do the spend 35, get back $8 in Walgreens cash. My second transaction, I'm going to do 3 of the Tide products again. I'm going to pick up 2 of the Tide Liquid at $4.99, and I'm going to pick up a Tide Pod for $4.99. For these 3 products, again, my total will come to $14.97. I have 2 $2 manufacturer coupons, one for the liquid and one for the pods. And then I have a $2 digital for the Tide liquid that I'm hoping will come off. That'll take off $6, drop me down to $8.97. I'll get back the $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $3.97. I'm gonna pair in 3 of these Mr. Clean. This week they're on sale for $2.99, and when you buy 3, you'll get back a $3 register reward. So these 3 are gonna bring me to $8.97. I don't have any manufacturer coupons. I'll get back that $3 register reward, making it $5.97 for all 3. This week, Revlon is spend 10, get a $4 register reward. I'm gonna pick up one of these at $10.99. I have been trying to find these at the CVS that I go to and I can't find it, so I'm happy to find it here. I have a $5 off of one digital that'll drop me down to $5.99. I'll get back the $4 register reward, making this just $1.99, and I think these are so pretty. I'm gonna pair in 2 of the Arizona tea with my second transaction. This week they're 2 for $1. This is going to be my 3rd transaction, the Tide, the Mr. Clean, the Arizona, and the Revlon. I am going to pair in this a $10 P&G manufacturer coupon. I hope that my $2 digital will still come off for the Tide and that this attaches to one of these 3 items right here. Now I am going to try to pair in 2 register rewards because they do expire today. When I was using my store coupons in 2 of the other transactions, the cashier manually put them in because they weren't scanning. So I'm hoping she'll put these in so that my digitals still come off. I am going to do this in a 3rd transaction by itself. I'm going to pick up 2 of the Colgate like I mentioned. They're $4. 2 will bring me to 8. I have that $4 digital off of 2. I'll pay $4, get back 4, making them free. So I made it back into the car from Walgreens. I'm going to go over my transactions really quickly. My first one right here is the Goldfish. They're 2 for $4. I used a $4 store coupon and I paid just tax out of pocket, which is 8 cents. And then I showed you guys in the store that I got a paper spend booster for spend 35, get 8. That is what I was hoping for, so that worked out perfectly because I got it in my first try. Now the second one that I did after that are the Tide products. I picked up 3 of the Crest and then 2 of the Nerd Rope. These digitals right here, this is supposed to be a paper $2 Tide coupon, but it shows up as Crest, but that is what that is for. The Crest, 5 off of 3 digital. 2 of the Tide product digitals that I had, $2 off of 1. 1 is for the liquid, 1 is for the pods. I rolled a $4 store coupon because I was still going to be over the spend 20 to get back the $4. My subtotal was $9.97. I got back $9.24 in Walgreens cash. I got back 5 for buying 3 of the Tide products and the 4 for spending 20. For paper register rewards, I got back the $4 register reward for buying 3 of the Crest products, and this is a store coupon. And then I also got a 20% off your next $10 regular in-store purchase and 25% off my next delivery or pickup order. My cost for my first transaction was $13.97. Between the $4 register reward and the $9.24, I got back $13.24. That makes this first transaction a cost of 73 cents plus tax. Second transaction, or third I guess. Here are 2 of the Arizona teas, 3 of the Mr. Clean, 3 of the Tide products, and then the Revlon for $10.99. This is my paper spend booster. Tide, 2 Tide paper coupons. I had 1 for the liquid and 1 for the pods. And then what else is there? $5 for the Revlon, $2 for the other Tide product. I wrote $8 in register rewards, and this is my $10 P&G manufacturer coupon that printed out of the Catalina machine a couple weeks back. It was expiring today, so I had to use it today. I paid $6.93 plus tax out of pocket. I got back $13.35 in Walgreens cash. Now this transaction was kind of like, none of my paper register rewards or store coupons were scanning, so they were manually putting them in after my digitals came off. That worked in my favor because the register rewards weren't attaching to the wrong products and all of my digitals came off. So she scanned my paper Tide coupons. One of them attached to the wrong item, so when she was trying to scan the other one, it wasn't working. So I just politely asked her to scan the coupon that she already scanned, and it would attach to the other product that it was working on, if that makes sense. And she kept both coupons. So that dropped me below the $35, and then she didn't even try to scan the paper booster. She just said, you can't use this because I'm at 31 something. And I said, that's because you scanned the paper coupon, so it dropped you below. So she kind of got upset and she called the manager over, and she didn't even try to scan it to see if it would attach. So he just came and scanned it, and he was like, there. She was like, oh, okay. So I was able to use that. Those paper spend boosters and your digital boosters are before coupons. So just in case anybody doesn't know. I paid $6.93 plus $8 in registry rewards. So my subtotal for this transaction was $14.93. For registry rewards, I got back a $4 manufacturer coupon for the Revlon and a $3 manufacturer coupon for the Mr. Clean. So I got back $7 in registry rewards, $13.35 for Walgreens cash. So $20.35 back for this transaction. This cost me $14.93. That makes this transaction completely free and a $5.42 moneymaker. And then I did the Colgate again. They are 2 for $8, buy 2 get 4. So I used the $4 off of 2 digital. My subtotal was $4. I rolled that in Walgreens cash. So my subtotal was 0. I just paid tax out of pocket. I got back 4 cents in Walgreens cash, and then I did get a $4 store coupon for purchasing those items. So this one was free, just tax out of pocket. And then I had 3 more register rewards that I had to use today because they were gonna expire. 2 weeks ago, I did some transactions where I just had like all these register rewards. So I needed to use them. I'm not gonna come back today. Picked up 3 12 packs of soda again. I picked up 2 Sprite and 1 of the Sunkist. This week they're on sale, 3 for $10.99. I used 3 register rewards for $10 total. I paid 99 cents subtotal plus tax out of pocket, and I got back 10 cents in Walgreens cash. My first transaction cost me $4. My second transaction cost me 73 cents. My third transaction was a $5.42 moneymaker. My fourth transaction was free. And then the last transaction for the soda cost me $10.99. I only paid $1.29 for the food, actual cash out of pocket. But with store registry rewards and everything, my final cost for everything was $11.30 for all 24 items. I am happy with that. I did have to burn those register rewards today. I was trying to put together some other deals to maybe do that, but I'm always nervous with rolling register rewards and having my digitals come off. I haven't bought today's paper, so I need to go do that. All the correct breakdowns for everything that I did today will be down in the Google Doc. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.